Got a real case of what the heck is going on here. So these things seem to go into there, but it seems to be moving back and forth. This is just a sensor as far as I can tell. The lock is completely unlocked, and you push the panic bar and nothing. I mean, I put a boot on it and nothing. It ain't budging 1 inch. And there's nothing that I could see that's holding it up. So that's fun. All right. These guys here. That is not connected. You can see that's not something locking it or holding it. And I've got pressure. I've got a screwdriver here. Nothing. Nothing. That's moving, so that's not it. Something outside's got to be locking this thing up somehow. There's nothing down in there either. So, fun times. You guys are not going to believe this. Look at this. Somebody put double adhesive on the door. And it's stuck together. They literally glued the freaking door together. Are you kidding me, people? Oh, I get littler and littler faith in humanity every day. Yeah, they literally put double-sided adhesive as weather stripping. That's the cost for this lockout. Alrighty, let's try this again. Hey, look, the door opens. It's a miracle. Imagine that. You don't put double stick tape as weather stripping, the door works. Amazing. Who would have ever possibly thought that? We need to write a book about all the stuff we see. I'm not even joking. There you go. As good as new now. You're ready. While I'm here, I'm actually investigating how this system works, because all I see is that this locks into here, and I have not seen those Detex, whatever those things are. So if this is locked into here, like so, then that depresses the button here, which actually takes this device and shoots a pin up into there. And then when it is unlocked, like so, the door opens and that door opens. This is a brilliant, brilliant system for double doors. Check it out. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh yeah. That is awesome. So I am really happy that I'm here and I saw this, because that is a double door locking solution. And then you got one down here at the bottom too. Very simple, very easy. Hole drilled right there. That is freaking cool. I am really happy I saw this. Learn something new and see something new every day. Works great as long as you don't try and use double stick tape as the as weather stripping.